I feel very much privileged, honored to be such an institution that they have invited me, and especially with Madam Preeti and Madam Neetu. She was regularly in touch with me that about bringing me here in this institution. I'm very thankful to you, ma'am, and especially the management of this institution. And I wish that we go with such a cooperation in the future also. So I can see the lovely audience which is sitting with me. Okay. So today I will be explaining and opening various areas of cyber security. I will be opening various areas regarding ethical hacking. I hope so. You everybody want to learn or not? Yes or no? You should be enthusiastic to learn, because I always learn. Because even today, even though I'm a professor, I'm having 7 years of experience, but even today I read magazines, I do online courses. I make myself improving day by day, because unless or until you don't do anything new today, you will finish day after tomorrow. Okay, because in computer science, everything changes day by day. Okay, so we can see today that we can see laptops, we see technology, we see virtual reality devices coming day by day. And recently, what Microsoft has done? What has done? On 21st of Jan, what has been launched? Windows 10. What is the specialty about Windows 10? Anybody can tell me? What is the specialty about Windows 10? What is going to be? Actually, Microsoft is working on the same strategy as Apple was doing. As Apple was giving you free upgrades from Snow Leopard to Tiger to etc. to different versions. Now, Microsoft has planned to give you Windows 10 free of cost to Windows 7 users, to Windows 8 users, to Windows 8.1 users. And even all the Lumia devices, the Windows Phone devices which are having Windows 8.1, depending on their capability, they will be getting Windows 10 upgrade. The developer update is coming this month on February, but the main update will be coming in the month of April 22. You will be getting the upgrade. But one more thing which Microsoft has launched, which has stunned all the world. What is that? Which has been launched on 21st of January this month, and it has stunned all the scientists, all the engineers, and even such a silent work was done. We were all enthusiastic and amazed that such a thing is now in the light of the sun. What is that? I want to have the name. What has been launched in addition to Windows 10 on 21st of January? Big thing, changing the world, and it will going to change the world forever when it will be launching in India and Asian countries. What is that? That is called Microsoft HoloLens. Now, what is meant by virtual reality? What is virtual reality? Any student? Virtual reality means, like suppose you want to go to Switzerland, but you don't have the money to go to Switzerland. You can wear a device over here, a virtual reality device, and that virtual reality device will give you the same environment like you are sitting in Switzerland. Now, what is meant by augmented reality? Everybody knows about Google Glass? Google Glass, it's called augmented reality, which means I'm having a specs like this. I can play my music, I can book my tickets, I can just move that specs to the air, it can tell me the temperature. If I can move my specs to the road, it can tell me where this road is leading to, what is the distance of petrol pump, what is this road distance covering, etc. So Microsoft has combined these two technologies into one with the help of holograms. That's called HoloLens, which means now we have a combination of virtual reality and augmented reality with the HoloLens. So I will going to demonstrate this HoloLens with a video which has been donated to me by Microsoft. So let me give you some demonstration. Can you start the video of Microsoft HoloLens? Yeah.
Us.
Watch very carefully.
We use it in every aspect of our lives. It enables us to do amazing
Wife,
things.
please.
But what if we could go further? What if we could go beyond the screen? Where your digital
the
world
HoloLens,
is
the
blended
future.
with your real world. Now we can. This is the world with holograms. What will they enable us to do?
See how much
New
CAD
ways to
technology is going to be
visualize our
improvised.
I have an idea for the fuel tank.
New ways to share ideas with each other.
How are things going your end?
I just put the images in OneDrive.
Perfect.
No need to touch your computer.
More immersive ways to play.
The game called Minecraft, which has been released. Virtual gaming.
New ways to teach and learn.
So put the new trap in the place of the old one.
Now what?
and tighten here and here.
No need to call in technician to
New
your
ways to
home.
collaborate and explore the places we've never been.
Look at this formation. Let's take a closer look.
Improvement towards space exploration techniques.
And new ways to create the things we imagine.
See the future of paintbrush. See,
Because when you change the way you see the world, you can change the world you see. This is Microsoft HoloLens.
Microsoft HoloLens is such a technology which is going to change the future. Now, let me give you some tips and tricks. Everybody has a problem. Sir, can you give me the keyboard, etc.? Internet is there? Yes. Okay. Now, we always find a problem. We don't know which technology is coming, when it is coming, and what are the details of that technology. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I will be opening 3 websites for you, through which you will be able to get the information in a tips of seconds when that technology comes, when it enters. And even if you subscribe to these websites by your email, every day before 9 a.m., you will be getting an email from that website that these technologies have come. This is a brief introduction, and you can click on that link and you can get the details of that technology. So let me open. Would you like to have it? Yes or no? I want more enthusiasm here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Let me see. So the first website which I would like to open is tech2.com. So see, even if any mobile phone picks an update or if anything is coming, it is already over there. So now you can see a new news has flashed out. Everybody knows about Cygogen? It's a company which has recently launched mobile phones with Micromax. Now they have refused to use Cygogen operating system. Today they have replaced the name of Cygogen operating system to Oxygen operating system. Now suppose that we have an Android, we have iOS, we have Windows operating system. Now this today we are going to welcome a new operating system called Oxygen operating system. So that will only be happening if you know these type of websites. Now, secondly, we know that this website is coming from different technologies in terms of hardware, mobiles, etc. What about the category information? What about hardware? What about laptops? What about PCs? Any device, any motherboard which is being launched, you get a information in a click of second. So I give you the second website, very important website for you people. The website is called extremetech.com. It's a big website where you can find the latest technology news. You can find everything. Now you can see over here. Now Google has launched a new news today. Google now has opened up the third-party developers, which means now that if your mobile is having Nexus or you are having Android One, now you can have that APK and now you can develop your own apps for Android. Big news today which has been flashed, and Google has done it today. Okay, so every day we can have, and now you can see over here the smartwatch 3 is coming with fitness tracker. Latest news. Researchers made graphene magnetic clearing the way for fastest everything. Now, my question to you is that what revolution is coming in the month of June by HP and which company? I would like to have that company which produces your RAM. RAM has microchips, isn't it? Which company is the producer of that microchips? No, that's not Intel. Intel is with processors. The one company which produces your chips for RAM is Hynix, Hynix. What they are going to do this year? What is type of memory of RAM? What is RAM? It's a volatile or non-volatile? Volatile, which means now suppose that if I switch off my computer, everything gets lost. Why? What is the difference between a computer and a calculator is that today calculator starts instantly, but computer takes some times to boot, but it is having longs and longs of features as compared to calculator. But now the answer will be there in June, because why? The RAM is going to be non-volatile. HP and Hynix are coming with a new RAM called PRAM, which means that you first time when you boot the computer, all the files of Windows and the operating system will be loaded, and they will not be flushed out even if you shut down your computer. So you can say with 2 GB of RAM of that computer system, you can have everything in your computer in a matter of steps. So big revolution is coming. Now third website which I would like to give you, which will give you the information about gadgets, smart gadgets, everything is over there. The website is called engadget.com. So big news again from Google. Google makes Earth Pro available to virtual travels for free. So different news from any gadgets, from any word of technology is coming to you instantly. Now, हमें बड़ा problem आता है कभी कभी कि we don't know which laptop which we have to purchase is either upgradable or not, isn't it? कि उसमें आप RAM को upgrade कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते हो, और अगर कर सकते हो तो कितना कर सकते हो, isn't it? This is the problem. And we always trust the shopkeeper, because when we go for a laptop purchase, the shopkeeper tells us, sir, okay, if you have a 4 GB RAM, you can be going to 8 GB RAM. But when you go for a 8 GB RAM, the system either behaves arrogantly or the system doesn't accept it. But what is the problem? Now the laptop has been taken. But now I will give you one software. Whenever you go to purchase any laptop, take that software with you. That software will have a hardware libraries, and this software doesn't tell a lie. It will automatically tell you how many slots are available, how much DDR RAM it can support, and how much graphics can be supported, and how much upgradability in the laptop can be done. The software name is CPU-Z. It's called CPU-Z. And the second software which I would like to open is called MEMTest, MEM Test 86 Plus. These softwares which when you take to purchase a laptop, these softwares will guide you that what provisions are there in the laptop to purchase, and how much upgradability can be there in that. Okay. Now, every day we find that there are some errors regarding to DLL files, isn't it? Some DLL file gets corrupted, or some DLL file is not missing, but we are unable to search that DLL file. But today I would like to open you a website through which you just have to open that website, give the name of that file, download that DLL file and put into system files. Everything will be fixed. Would like to have it? So let me open you. The website is called dll-files.com, through which you can search. You can see all types of files are there, and you can download a software called DLL File Fixer. It will automatically fix all the errors. Now everybody agree with me that every computer in these days requires a CC cleaner, isn't it? Everybody uses. But let me tell you, CC cleaner is only efficient 80%. 80%, which means the temporary files can be only removed to 80%, the registry files can be removed to 50%, the startup can be optimized to only 60%. But today I will be giving you one software which is even ahead of CC cleaner and will give you 100% efficiency. The software name is D7 Suite. D7 Suite. Install it. And the second software which I would like to open is called TuneUp Utilities, which you should install apart from CC Cleaner to get it the best performance in your computer. TuneUp Utilities. Okay. Now after giving this tip, I will be coming to cyber security. I will be giving you more and more tips when I'm giving my lecture. Okay. We always find a problem कि एंड्रॉयड में लेटेस्ट एप्स आती हैं लेकिन हमें एप्स का पता नहीं चलता. फोटोग्राफी का एप्स आता है लेकिन वी ओनली यूज इंस्टाग्राम, वी यूज फ्लिकर, बट लेटेस्ट एप्स में क्या आ रहा है वी डोंट नो. लेटेस्ट एंड्रॉयड फोन्स में क्या हो रहा है, what is the latest things which are coming into Android. But today I will be giving you one app and then I will be opening two websites. That app can be installed on iPhone. That app can be installed on Windows Phone. That app can be installed on any Android phone. You can install that app and over there you can find the articles and you can even list the videos through which you can have the unboxing of various phones. They will always give you apps of videos and they will also give you some competition you can work on. The website and the app you have to install in your phone is called Android Authority. Android Authority. This is the app you install. You get all the latest updates to Android phones, Android news, everything in your fingertips. Now let me open one website for you. Now to get the big news towards Android, what is happening every time? It's called androidword.nl. Androidword.nl. So you can see over here, anything coming towards WhatsApp, latest suits, latest phones, all unboxings, best phones, best reviews over here. So big thing over Android. Everything is coming to you. Even if you find, if you need any app regarding technology, you need an app regarding photography, you just search over there, photography apps, and will list you all the apps which are coming. Even the latest apps in a sequence, from the latest to the outdated apps. See the website. Okay. Now, let me start with the area of cyber security. Now, how many of you use AVG? Okay, इससे पहले मैं क्वेश्चन करना चाहूंगा. Which is the most secured computer on this planet? Which is the most secured computer? ध्यान से आंसर दीजिएगा. Volunteer, interact. If you don't interact, then I am not able to stand over here. Interact. गलत बोलो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. President Obama system. Ma'am, President Obama system can be hacked in 10 minutes. The Chinese cyber army has even told Obama that even if he will not stop giving us the lessons of Chinese cyber army, they will be hacking their Obama, and even they will be also hacking their nuclear cyber codes also. Yes, China has given them the warning. The NASA computers are also having vulnerabilities, and you will all be laughing when I will giving you the answer. Which is the most secured computer? Calculator. Okay. Yes. सुपर कंप्यूटर. ओके, सुपर कंप्यूटर को मैं 10 मिनट में बंद कर देता हूं. आई एम अ हैकर. यस. अभी मैं आपको टिप्स देता हूं. कुछ हैकिंग के सॉफ्टवेयर जाना चाहेंगे आप? बताता हूं अभी. यस. आपको एक न्यूज बताता हूं, आपको एक वेबसाइट्स बताता हूं जहां से आपको दुनिया में कौन सी चीज हैकिंग में लेटेस्ट आ रही है, कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर लेटेस्ट हैकिंग में आ रहे हैं, आपको सब पता चलेगा उससे. यू कैन डाउनलोड द सॉफ्टवेयर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. और मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूं अभी, दैट इवन इफ यू वांट टू टेरराइज योर फ्रेंड, how to take some agony against him in a free of cost manner, I will tell you. Just उसके सिस्टम में जाओ, एक पेन ड्राइव को सिर्फ उससे कहो कि जरा पानी पिलाना, एक पेन ड्राइव लगाओ, just put 1, 2 and 3, snatch it. जितने आज तक उसने पासवर्ड्स अपने फेसबुक याहू के लगा के रखे, सब आपके पेन ड्राइव में स्टोर हो जाएंगे. हाँ, वो मैडम सिक्योरिटी तो अभी तक नहीं बनी है, बट आई विल गिव यू. और वो सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट पड़ा है. यस, इट्स अ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यस. तो जाना चाहेंगे आप? यस, ये तो सभी जानना चाहेंगे, पता नहीं क्यों. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ व्हिच इज द मोस्ट सिक्योर्ड कंप्यूटर? पहले मैं एक एक करके चलूंगा. यस. आर यू एंजॉयिंग और नॉट? दैट्स गुड. हाँ जी. व्हिच इज द मोस्ट सिक्योर्ड कंप्यूटर? द आंसर इज सिंपल. व्हिच इज नॉट कनेक्टेड टू द इंटरनेट एंड इट इज बuried अंडर द ग्राउंड 10 feet. It is the most secured computer. Otherwise, even if your computer, even if your calculator is having the internet connection, even if your phone is having an internet connection, it is connected to the internet in somehow, it is always unsecured. It is always having exploitations. Okay? Hacker always leave for exploits. But आज मैं आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर बताऊंगा. Even if you are a good C++ programmer and you know about TSRs, you know about shell code programming, you can find exploits in operating system and you can report the bugs to them. ओके. रिसेंटली अभी क्या हुआ है, 2 दिन पहले व्हाट्सएप में क्या हुआ है बताएंगे जरा? व्हाट्सएप में क्या हुआ है? व्हाट्सएप वेब बग. आप 3 दिन पहले की बात कर रहे हो, मैं 2 दिन पहले की बात कर रहा हूं. 3 दिन पहले की बात है. मेरे साथ अगर बात करना है 24 घंटे की बात करो. नो. एक 14 साल के लड़के ने क्या फाइंड आउट किया? He is an Indian. What he has find out? He is 14 years. 14 years. 17 years old का एक महीने पहले आया था. But what he has done? Recently. Okay. Okay, then I agree. 14, 17 years मुझसे मैटर नहीं करता, मुझे मैटर करता कि किया क्या है उसने. हाँ जी. फोटो प्राइवेसी में क्या हुआ है? Suppose that if I bind a keylogger in that photo and if I send you a photo and that photo will be downloaded automatically to your mobile SD card, all your contacts, all your WhatsApp chat, because WhatsApp chat logs are always there in your phones, etc. It will be automatically copied to that person. It's called WhatsApp keylogger. But मैं आज आपको एक keylogger भी बताऊंगा. आप अपने दोस्त को ये बोलो, एक ईमेल करो कि हेलो फ्रेंड, दिस इज एन ईमेल फ्रॉम योर साइड, आपको अपनी फोटो अटैच करके भेजिए. जब वो फोटो ओपन करेगा, इट विल एग्जीक्यूट, दैट कीलॉगर विल बी इंस्टॉल्ड. उसके बाद जो भी वो कीबोर्ड पे टाइप कर रहा है आपको भी पहुंचता जा रहा है. इट्स अ फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, तो आपको मैं ये चीज बताता हूं कि कैसे हम ये काम करते हैं. सो दैट थिंग इज अमेजिंग. आपके कॉलेज में फेसबुक नहीं ना चलती? चलती है? नहीं चलती है? अभी चला देते हैं. चलिए लिखिए, सॉफ्टवेयर लिखिए पहले. अभी आपका फेसबुक चला देते. और कभी कभी ये प्रॉब्लम आता है कि हमें डाउनलोड करने के लिए स्पीड नहीं मिलती, इजंट इट? तो कितना अच्छा हो कि हम फेसबुक भी चलाएं, डाउनलोड भी करें, लेकिन हम पकड़े भी ना जाएं, इजंट इट? सो राइट डाउन अ सॉफ्टवेयर कॉल्ड अल्ट्रासर्फ. यूज किया? यूज करके देखो. जस्ट डाउनलोड द अल्ट्रासर्फ, unzip that file, double click that exe file, it will be giving you a proxy IP address, and all securities of your college will be bypassed and you can open the internet like you are having on your phone. सब कुछ ओपन हो जाएगा, पर इसका कोई तोड़ नहीं है. हाँ जी, वो बताते हैं. मैडम अगर प्रोटेक्ट ही करना होता मेरे को यहां पर खड़े करने का फायदा गया है. ठीक है, ओके. सेकंड मैं आपको बताता हूं, अगर अल्ट्रासर्फ का भी आपको मिल जाए तो मैं आपको अभी एक डिवाइस बताने वाला हूं. वो डिवाइस मैंने खुद बनाया है. तो यू कैन यूज वन वेबसाइट आल्सो दैट इज कॉल्ड TOR. इट्स कॉल्ड अनियन राउटर, TOR, अनियन राउटर. मैं इसको सर्च करके दिखा देता हूं आपको. This is the UltraSurf. Okay. Second is called, it's called anonymity online. आपके कोई लॉग्स नहीं बनते इससे. अब मैं आपको एक टिप देने वाला हूं. कितना अच्छा हो, आपके दोस्त ने आपके साथ कोई झगड़ा किया है. हम झगड़े का जवाब हाथों हाथ से देते हैं, लेकिन झगड़े का जवाब उसको उसकी प्राइवेसी उड़ाकर दो, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. क्योंकि आई एम अ साइलेंट किलर. एज अ हैकर आई एम वेरी साइलेंट पर्सन. बिकॉज जब कोई when person makes me in trouble, I always remain silent, but what I do after him of that person, the whole world listen to him. Now I will give you one software. You just have to install that software in your pen drive, and after that take that pen drive to your friend's house, tell him bring me some water. यहाँ 2 मिनट के उसको कंप्यूटर से पीछे कर दो. Insert that pen drive for just 3 seconds in that computer, चाहे वो लॉक भी करके क्यों ना गया है, and that pen drive will always store all his passwords, username, etc. The software name is USB Thief.
I have a question regarding Tor.
Yes.
Sir, if you download a Tor browser in your PC,
Yes.
then your IP address is recorded.
Our IP address is recorded, so that's why I'm giving you another thing, so that your IP should be bypassed. That's called super hide IP.
But when you're downloading it for the first time, your IP address is recorded.
What you do, you just download that software on some other PC. Okay, because actually you have put a great question, because as a hacker we first of all go with footprinting also. Footprinting. So with the footprinting we always do that. With footprinting, first of all you download that software on some VMware machine, so that VMware machine will not record any IP address. Secondly, because whenever as a hacker I download some software, I just install a computer, I just install a virtual machine. In that virtual machine I put a NAT in that, with that IP, with that you can say a fake IP, and after that I do a super hide IP, and after that I install all the softwares, so that my anonymity will always be there. So that's the area of footprinting. Okay, but because actually the lecture I cannot handle much high, so that's why I'm giving you some basic tips and tricks. Okay, so with super hide IP you can bypass that IP of India, and you are sitting into Japan, I'm sitting into Australia, so you can hell over that. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 operating systems which are used for hacking and if you can install those operating system into VMware machine, you will be getting 100 hacking tools. Would you like to have it? The software is that you can have just download that ISO, install the VMware, install that ISO with that VMware, and you will be installing that and you will be getting hundreds and thousands of various hacking softwares with that. Even Facebook hacking software is into that. The operating system name is, first I give you the latest, the Kali Linux, and the second which I give you, Heron Boot CD. Heron Boot CD. Why I have not taken the name of Backtrack? Because now the Backtrack has now been outdated and Backtrack has now been not updated to latest hacking patches. So that's why the Backtrack is not there. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so let me start with the presentation of cyber security. Now, as a cyber security consultant and as a certified ethical hacker, I do penetration testing. What is penetration testing? Anybody knows? It's a good career. What is penetration testing?
Anything you can test, you can penetrate deeper and find bugs.
Find bugs in that. But what do exactly the penetration tester do? Finding bugs, you can say that's also called the script kidney. Reporting the companies, but you are not fully aware of that. Okay, do you know about certified ethical hacking? CES certification?
Yes.
After that we do certified hacking and forensic investigator.
CHFI.
But yes, CHFI. The third thing what we do, LPT, licensed penetration tester. Now what is actually meant by penetration? What is actually meant by penetration?
So penetrating and testing the things and reporting the company for Hall of Fame or reward.
Okay, suppose that your college reports me, sir, every day we are getting some passwords, we are getting some denial of service attack, like issues in that. What I will do in order to prevent that denial of service attack from this college? What I will do? Actually, what I will do? Basically, in a simple words, what penetration is that? In penetration, we legally hack the devices and we find the loopholes, the back doors. That's actually because you are a student of MCA? Yes, because in MCA we have to know the exact words, the exact keywords. Because why? क्योंकि अगर ये तो एक आम आदमी का बात हो जाता है कि अगर आप बात कर रहे हो तो एक आम आदमी की बात है, but for the MCA and for the high-end profession we need technical words. What a penetration tester do? He come to there, he takes the passwords, administrator passwords, and he files a reports, infrastructure, etc. He finds some bugs, he finds some loopholes, he finds the back doors. Okay, so after that he locates the bugs, and these are the bugs and these are the things to be done in order to curb that penetration. So as a penetration tester, I always looks on various operating systems and network hardware. What recently has been done with the wireless? What recent penetration bug has been done? SSL में क्या bug आया था अभी? Suppose that you are transferring the money from one bank account to another. You transfer it with NEFT or RTGS. You use HTTPS protocol. We know that HTTP protocol works on port number 80 and HTTPS works on port number 443. Now in that 443, the shell shock worm is there, which means if you are transmitting the computer, you are transmitting the data from one computer to another computer, you can have a man-in-middle attack. MIMA. And even meet-in-middle attack also. That's why we have heartbleed bug, and after that there was a shell shock bug. So after that we have proved even that Linux systems and even the Macintosh systems are even hackable systems. And even you can say the SSL 3.2 version is also coming in April. They are working on it. So even today if you are using bank website which is using SSL